In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply this beautiful daily makeup look on my mature model using only non-toxic products. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hajar. In case you do not know me or you do, I highly recommend you to watch my previous video because in that one I explain my switch to using less to non-toxic makeup products from now on and why you should maybe consider doing so as well. So my new complete makeup kit from the brand 100% Pure arrived, and I'm going to test them in this video and also explain to you how you can apply your makeup, your daily makeup, real quick and simple as a woman who's in her 50s plus. Let's get started. Before we get started, I apply a little rose water on my cotton pad and clean the skin from any dust, dirt, refresh, hydrate it, and make it a little damp for our next step. First of all, I'm going to apply my skincare product from the brand Tallow. Yes, you heard it right. This product contains 100% grass-fed beef tallow and lavender oil. That's it. It has the consistency similar to cooled butter and needs to be warmed in the hand palm before applying. The manufacturer says to apply it on dampened skin. That is why I had applied rose water beforehand. Aside from tallow being a trend on TikTok, holistic doctors like Dr. Berg on YouTube even confirmed that tallow is the best natural skin hydrating product for any skin concern. Dating back to ancient times, tallow for skincare was a common practice, with the ingredient often used as a sustainable, regenerating skin protectant. Because it contains high levels of vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as antioxidants and essential fatty acids, tallow is great for any skin type. Starting from dry, acne-prone, mature to sensitive skin, tallow has the ability to mimic your skin and improve skin health. It does absorb into the skin quickly without leaving it with a shiny or oily finish, as you can observe. You have to integrate it slowly into your routine and give your skin about a month for it to adjust itself to the new toxic-free skincare product. If you wish to know more about tallow as a skincare product and how my new toxic-free skincare looks like, let me know in the comment section. My mother-in-law has a normal to dehydrating skin in the cold season, so the lavender smelling tallow feels smooth on the skin. Another great aspect of the use of tallow is it works great as a makeup primer, not only because you deal with a smooth surface afterwards, but because it does not let any of the makeup product penetrate into your skin. It works basically like a protection barrier and is, by the way, non-comedogenic. Talking about protection, I did leave out sunscreen application since I'm on the search on which sunscreen to use that is safe for our skin's health. So I will update you on that soon. Next, I use my second skin foundation by the brand 100% Pure in the shade 4, which is a medium warm shade. It has the consistency of fluid and needs to be shaken before every use. The foundation has a satin finish and a medium to high coverage plus anti-aging benefits because of its high content of antioxidants. It is fruit pigmented, which means no synthetic colors such as iron oxides have been used. Once applied, it does not oxidize drastically, but once it is dried, it oxidizes maybe less than half a shade. I would recommend applying it with a foundation brush in a dabbing motion, and before it dries, go over it with a dampened beauty sponge to make it look stroke-free. To be honest, I recommend this foundation for non-textured skin, meaning skin without acne, blackheads, scars, and bigger pores, because somehow it ends up looking cakey. On the other hand, I recommend it for people with small pores, smooth skin surface, dry, sensitive, dehydrated, and mature skin types. For me personally, the issue is the consistency. I need more creamy but not pasty textured foundation to sit perfectly on my skin. Anyway, look at the results. The foundation made her complexion look even and smooth. My mother-in-law wore this makeup the whole day afterwards. In the evening, she confessed that this makeup is so lightweight she did not not feel the urge to wash it off. I know she's not a fan of foundations. I wondered as well because every time I did a makeup look on her in the past, she went straight to the bathroom to wash it off. Let me know if you feel the same after the foundation application as well. Now we move on to the next step, which is applying the Fruit Pigmented Long Last Concealer by 100% Pure. Guys, I swear this concealer looks so regular, but it's miraculous. This concealer did not for a second crease crazily into her fine lines around the eyes. It looked so lightweight, yet concealed her dark circles perfectly. There is a simple rule, however, in using this concealer correctly. You need to apply it with your ring finger in dabbing motions and make sure it is a thin layer applied. Once the concealer is applied, you need to set it with a powder right away. That's the rule for a creaseless concealer application. This concealer is in the shade White Peach, which might look light in the beginning, but it gives the eyes a nice brightening effect. As mentioned, we need to set the under eye area and the T-zone right away. So I grabbed the Bamboo Blur powder by 100% Pure, which is talc and titanium dioxide free, meaning there is no such thing as inhaling carcinogens while applying your daily powder. If you don't know what titanium dioxide is and what it does to your health, I highly recommend watching my previous video because you have titanium dioxide and talc in almost every makeup product. Even some advertised clean makeup brands use such ingredients, so be aware. I apply the Bamboo Blur powder, whose main ingredients are bamboo silica and fruit pigments like cacao bean, apricot, and peach in sweeping motions with a small sized powder brush under the eyes and along the T-zone area. This fixing powder is lightweight and is in the shade Light, which to me is perfect for warm light skin tones. It slightly gives the concealer a warmer tone, which I prefer since the concealer now looks more faded into the skin. The bamboo silica absorbs excess sebum, hence you will achieve a matte and blurred complexion after application. I also neutralize the discoloration on the eyelid by applying the same concealer and set it with the bamboo powder. Now it is time to warm up the skin with some bronzer called Cacao Pigmented Bronzer by 100% Pure in the shade Cacao Kissed. This bronzer does a great job as a contour and bronzer at the same time. It is super pigmented, hence you need only a little on your brush. I apply it along the cheekbones and hairline, temples, and jawline to make the skin more lifted and youthful. The main ingredients is obviously cacao powder and seed butter plus berries and other delicious fruits which contain antioxidants and protect the skin. I will link down each product in the description box, by the way, so you can check the ingredients yourself. I also go along the nose and its tip to make the nose look more warm. Now onto the eye makeup. As I could not purchase any eyeshadow from 100% Pure since all their shades that I was interested in were sold out, I just decided to warm up the lid using the cacao bronzer. I use a blending brush and take a little product and apply it onto the lid in sweeping motions. Since the shade is a light brown, it does not require lots of blending, so it is a perfect eyeshadow look for beginners. I also focused on blending the bronzer above the crease fold to make the eyes appear wide open. To complete our face makeup, we apply blush called Fruit Pigmented Blush Powder in the shade Healthy, which is a coral bronze shade. Blush makes the complexion more youthful and refreshed, so I apply the blush with a blush brush on the apples of the cheeks and a little on top of the cheekbones to help lift the skin further. Again, this blush is pumped with antioxidants and vitamins because of the fruit content and it's free of titanium dioxide. I was worried whether it would last or not, and guess what? It did last the whole day without any retouching. I guess this is my first long-lasting powder blush ever, and the great thing about it is non-toxic. Now back to the eye makeup here. I used the creamy long lash liner in the shade Dark Cacao. This eyeliner is super creamy and super long lasting as its name states. I really could not find one eyeliner on the internet that would be titanium dioxide free, but this one was. This eyeliner contains hydrogenated vegetable oils and jojoba oil, canola oil, which does not sound so clean at first, but until now, studies have shown that these oils are linked with risks when being consumed in foods. Just for your info, they are meant to increase shelf life and thus save costs for manufacturers in the food industry. I would recommend you not to apply any kind of eyeliner directly into your waterline and remove gently without rubbing it into your eyes, just to be on the safe side. This eyeliner also contains iron oxides. It states may contain iron oxides, so I'm planning to ask 100% pure what kind of iron oxides it consists of and the content. Anyway, it was really not easy to find the perfect 100% clean eye makeup product, so these ones sounded much safer to me than the other clean options I had. I have applied the eyeliner on the upper lash line and told her to open her eyes so I can create the wing. I kept the eyeliner bold because I wanted to smudge it with an eyeliner brush. I blend the wing upwards and the basic line on the lid in sweeping motions to make it look more softly smoked. I use a cotton swab in between to clean out any uneven edges. It is important to keep the top part of the eyeliner faded and the bottom dark so it has a nice contrast from dark to light. I also use a little bronzer powder on top of the liner to make it look more faded effortlessly. In the end, I clean out the wing with concealer to make it look sharp at the end. Now I'm preparing the lashes for the mascara application. I would highly recommend you to do that using a lash curler. Apply it for several seconds and release to get a nice lift and curl. It will make your mascara application much more effortless. Next, I used the 100% pure ultra lengthening fruit pigmented mascara in the shade dark chocolate. This mascara has a curvy wand similar to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I applied in zigzag motions from the roots of the lashes up until the tips. I apply one coat and let it dry and work on the other eye before applying a second coat to prevent clumpy lashes. According to 100% Pure, this mascara formula is water resistant and free of Teflon, coal tar, titanium dioxide, and other petrochemicals, which makes it a great match for sensitive eyes. It matches well with our soft day makeup and it smells like melted dark chocolate. Back to our creamy long-lasting eyeliner. This time I use it for eyebrows. Unfortunately, I could not purchase the 100% pure brow products because they were all sold out, so I had to get creative looking for an alternative. Because this liner is so creamy, I applied it just a few strokes in the beginning of the brow up until the tail and smudged it while styling it in the hair growth direction to create fuller, gapless brows. And I was successful. It looked overall good. I just had to make sure it is not too pigmented, so I took a cotton swab and went over the brows to remove any excess product. Finally, we work on the lips. I chose the fruit pigmented cacao butter matte lipstick in the shade Cassia. It is a warm peachy nude shade and looks great on her complexion. It is very creamy and has a matte finish. It also offers a great coverage, so you don't need to reapply it a lot. I feel good about the fact that it does not contain titanium dioxide, so accidentally consuming it does not mean you harmed your body. In general, no matter how clean a lipstick is, please remove it before eating. This is the end results as you could follow. It was easy and quick, perfect for your everyday. The reason I would highly recommend you to at least work with cleaner, non-toxic makeup brands for your everyday makeup is because your everyday makeup is the makeup you use constantly, hence the ingredients in your products, especially as mentioned previously in your lip and powder products, should be non-toxic because the daily usage matters and might be a risk factor into your health in the long run. A risk factor you have control over because we all know toxic free radicals are everywhere in our environment, but on some like air pollution and medication we just don't have control over. Thank you for watching. By the way, let me know in the comment section which clean or non-toxic makeup brands you know or have used in the past so I can review them next. Also, how did you like the makeup products by the brand 100% Pure? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet. Leave me a thumbs up for more content like this and stay tuned for my weekly upload about safe makeup for you and our planet. Thank you.